Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install VMware. It's a virtual machine to fire multiple operating systems within the same Windows operating device, which means you don't need more physical computer or devices to run multiple operating systems. So I'm going to simply open my Firefox and search VMware Player. Now click on this. You can check the description for the download link I've provided there to save your time. Now go down, click this as we are on Windows operating system and it is about a half GB of file, 584 MB. Let's just wait for the download to get completed. Yeah. Now let's open this. Click yes. Click on this as well. Now we have a VMware Workstation player installed. So finish. Okay, it's better to, I really recommend you to click on yes and restart your computer before you start deploying your operating systems in order to avoid any kind of crash or similar things in future. For now I'm clicking no and opening VMware Workstation Player version 16, and here we go. Let's catch up with another video of Kali Linux installation in my next upcoming uploads. Till then, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.